Wow.
It's so beautiful. Show Daddy. Show Daddy.
Wow, my goodness.
So cute on her. Oh my goodness gracious. Jack,
Whoops.
help her out.
Careful.
Why don't you pick her up so she can see herself in the
There you
Oh
go.
my gosh. What do you think? Do you love it? The best one ever. Say Daddy. Say Daddy. Daddy. Rapunzel.
Whose dress is that? Whose dress is that, Elizabeth? Who's? Is that a Rapunzel dress? Who made that Rapunzel dress?
Who made it? Broken? Yeah, Grandma hadn't made it yet. Grandma made it. It's not finished yet.
Still needs a zipper. So pretty.
So I've got to adjust all this so that I've been...
Wow. What do you say to? What do you say to Gamma?
What do you think?
What do you say to the Gamma? Hey, quit watching Barney. What do you say to Gamma?
Thank you.
Oh.
Mwah.